I'm about to show you how I transform my brows. Let's get it. First things first, you need an eyebrow razor. You can find this anywhere. Walgreens, Walmart, you name it. First thing I like to do is I like to get rid of those little hairs right there that just don't make no sense, okay? So you gotta be careful doing this so you don't rip off or shave off the necessary hairs. Take off the unnecessary hairs. What I like to do, I like to put my finger over the necessary hair and go ahead and start moving off the unnecessary hair. Be careful with it. Hold that hair that you need now so you don't shave it off. Just push it down gently. You see how it's coming together? And now on the top, I like to do it just a little bit, just to get it in shape. Don't go too hard now. Just pull it down a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna fix this little bit right here. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna put my finger right there and I'm gonna pull the rest of that down. Remember, cover the hairs you need, all right? If you can't use an eyebrow shaver, you can use some tweezers or you can just go get your eyebrows waxed. But everything is closed because coronavirus. All right, next what you want to do is brush your hairs with an eyebrow brush. This is an eyebrow brush or a spoolie. You want to brush it up and you want to brush it to the side. Brush it up, brush it to the side. All right, there we go. Next, you want to use a eyebrow pencil or powder, whatever you choose. I like to use pencil. It's easier to actually use pencil. This one is from Jordana, as you can see. It's a brown eyeliner. This one is called Cocoa Bean. Do not use something that's super dark for you unless your hair is super dark, okay? No black, brown, no black. First things first, you want to line starting a little bit off beginning and you want to just gently go under your brow and make a line. I'm still touching my hair. I'm not making an extra. Now time for the top. See how I just filled that in? I did the top. Pull it down to the tail and I did the bottom. Then you want to take your brush and you want to brush that in. Do the same thing up and side. All right, next you want to take your favorite concealer. You need concealer or your foundation to do this. Make sure your concealer is not too light or too dark. Use something that is very similar to your skin tone. The one I'm using is from CoverGirl Simply Ageless Fix Concealer. Pop off the top. Pop a little bit of concealer under, just because this is the applicator. Then you take an angled brush and you begin to basically carve out your eyebrows. You basically go right under that line. All right, so starting here. To the edge, make sure you extend it just a little bit past. So I'm following my natural arch. My eyebrows are naturally arched high up. Just follow your natural. Next, I'm going to completely blend in the concealer using a flat foundation brush. I'm just going to tap it into the skin so that it's completely blended and that line goes away. All right, so sometimes I like to take off on the top depending on how I feel. Just like I did the bottom, I'm gonna take some of the top off. I'm gonna use the same concealer. Be careful with this so you don't mess it up. So I just hold it down and I pull it all the way back straight. I did the straight line first. Okay, after we do it straight, you want to find where your brow curves and you want to go ahead and continue that curve down. Do this one slow. and make sure that it connects. Okay, blend it out. There you go. Let's do the other one. All right, let's see if you remember. Do it with me now. Start right here, not all the way in the front. Start right here. Draw the line right under the actual hair. Now let's do the top. If your brows are super thin, you might want to actually fill in here too. I don't typically do that because my brows are pretty thick. I stop it right there. Don't go past that line now. Your concealer. Blend it out. And then you take your brush one last time just to make sure everything is seamless. And there you go. That's how you do your eyebrows. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you try this soon.